I want to run this web application in a container, so I include workspace to reference all code in the workspace, and I ask for a Docker file. It recognizes that this is a Python application using Gradio, so it's providing me a Docker file that is installing all the dependencies, and it's also opening the right ports for the web application, the default port of Gradio. If we go back a little bit and look at the Docker file, we can see that it's using the Python Slim Python image, but I want to use a different one. So I ask for to use an Amazon Linux-based image, and the Docker file is generated again, this time using the base image that I asked for. It's installing the Python packages, the Python 3 package, because it's not the default, using the right installer for the platform. And at this point, I decide, okay, let's move forward and ask for the CloudFormation template to deploy this application. I ask to use the default VPC because I don't want to create a new one, and I don't have a template to provide for to use. It's creating all the necessary resources, so for ECS, for the permissions. It's also, I see, recreating the default VPC, but I can remove or adjust those lines if I need. So it has created an application load balancer, the configuration for the log, the ECS cluster, and yeah, there's all the details to recreate the default VPC. I might remove this and fix it. And if I go up, I can see that it's created the ECS service, the task role, the execution role for the task. And in the task definition, it's using Fargate. I didn't specify that, but it's okay for me.